Come convention abbiamo la numero 14.
Francesca Paola Rappa che interpreta
Brigitte da Overwatch.
In stories, the heroes get the honor and glory, but their gleaming armor, their mighty weapons, the people who built them were heroes in their own right, and I thought I was gonna follow in their footsteps. But a hammer and tools can't fix every problem. There are some things that can never be repaired. It's not enough to wait until the battle is over to fix their armor and bandage their wounds. If you can fight at their side, you can try to keep the blows from falling. And maybe even protect them from themselves. I am Brigitte Lindholm, and I will be their shield.
Francesca